Today, we're making coconut macrons in 30 minutes. These light and fluffy treats are filled with vanilla and coconut flavor and make for an easy treat for the week. Let's get baking! In a bowl, add 14 ounces of coconut flakes. In a separate bowl, whip up 2 egg whites using a whisk attachment on a blender. Whisk until foamy with firm peaks that stand up. In the bowl with coconut, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, then 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Add the foam egg whites to the coconut bowl. Then use a spatula to fold everything together. Use a cookie scoop to make individual mounds on a parchment paper lined tray. Make sure to separate each by about 1 inch. Then we'll bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 28 minutes. And boom, we have coconut macrons. These are so easy, but a great treat that are light and fluffy. If you have a favorite dessert that you want to see, then be sure to let me know in the comments below.